In this video, I'll be covering how to manage your quotas. We'll be looking at the quota, pat percentage, and stop columns, as well as the enabled and closed options. If we take a look at the screen, I have already created some quotas from a previous session. Although I have created a quota group, I didn't define how large I wanted it to be. So let's look at the quota and pat percentage columns located here. The quota column is the number of respondents you want to allow for this quota, whereas the pat percentage is the percent of leeway you're going to allow for this quota. By defining what your quota and pat percentage is, that'll determine what your stop count is, which is the actual count for your quota. So for here, I'm going to increase my quota to 100 and give myself a pat percentage of 10, meaning I will allow 110 people who fit this quota to take my survey. After I get 110 people that qualify for the quota, anyone else who tries to take this survey that fit this quota will be screened out and the closed option will be active. The closed option is the C icon located on the right side of the quota. You can manually close a quota yourself by clicking on the close option when it's not active. If you want to re-allow people after a quota is closed, you could increase your quota count. Then disable the close option when it's active. And if you want to fully disable or re-enable a certain quota, you can do so by clicking on the E icon located next to the close icon. If you need to remove any fields from a quota cell, you can do so by clicking on the delete icon on the left side of the field. Clicking on the X will delete all fields for this cell. The same rules apply when you want to delete quota cells themselves. And when you want to delete a quota group, you can do so by clicking on the trash can on the right side of the group that you want to delete.